Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to introduce our revolutionary product, DTF Printer. DTF Printer is the most popular custom clothing printing equipment in the industry. In order to meet the print demands of wide color gamut, we offer DTF printers with 4 colors, 8 fluorescent colors, 8 colors, and configurations. Help create distinctive special effects for your garments printing business. Compare with 4 colors DTF, 8-color DTF printer with good stability, bright colors, and excellent fluency. You may be curious about how our DTF printers stand out on the market? We use lots of mold design parts, thus ensuring the overall reliability and performance of the printer. Equipped with Epson i3200 print heads, up to 2400 dpi. It supports 600 mm width and 3 mm height. Now, let's take a glance at the key features and details of our 8-color new upgraded DTF printer. This is the automatic ink supply system with mixing, filtering, and low ink alert functions for smooth ink flow. White ink circulation system with separate cartridges to prevent sedimentation, reduce clogging, and double the printhead lifespan. The front baffle platform heating function can help drain moisture, allowing printing and heating to proceed simultaneously. With fully automatic cycle feeding powder system, you can add powder as needed and make full use of it without frequent addition. The powder shaking sheet runs at high speed, making the powder shaking more even, powder recovery, and helps save cost greatly. Automatic suction and rotation device ensures accurate transmission. Built-in smoke removal system filters out oil smoke, improving extraction and creating a smoke-free environment. Fully automatic drying and curing, temperature control, and uniform heating. Fully automatic winding device ensures higher stepping accuracy. Considering the printer size and shipping by sea delivery, this will help you know it better. What you concern most may be whether DTF printer can bring profits for you. We conducted an ROI here to show you its potential. The DTF printing process is simple and efficient. First, design the pattern. Save it in the required format using RIP software. Next, set the parameters and start printing. Print the pattern onto the film. Sprinkle with hot melt powder. Cure in the oven. Form the adhesive. Cut the DTF film into individual pieces and prepare to heat press. 0.75 mm DTF PET film can meet most printing needs. Use a heat press to transfer the pattern onto the fabric and peel off the film once completed. A perfect t-shirt was done. Even for washing or stretching, no cracks or peeling. You can also easily print vibrant, full-color images on a variety of substrates, such as t-shirts, hoodies, coat, polos, tote bags, caps, etc. DTF printer works for almost all fabric. As the leading manufacturer in China, we manufacture and provide great printers for those who seek it. We offer an A to Z turnkey printing solution and supply everything you need for DTF printing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to our channel, so you never miss an update. See you next time.